this is the gate for the property. So you have this, it's like an L-shaped property. So it kind of goes here and then it goes behind there for the yard. So it's really awesome because you have a really, really long driveway. You can utilize this space, and then you have the backyard that's almost completely separate from the front yard, which is fantastic. So I would probably separate them and do a dog run in the back and stuff like that, and have the space for the vehicles in front. So this is the front entrance of the door, and that's the basement. So you could enter to the basement. It has a walkout sliding door. And then this would be your front door, which is fabulous. It has a beautiful, beautiful large deck with this view and metal roof. I mean, this home is not only newer, it's built to last. It's an incredible, incredible property. It's so bright in there. Can't wait to show you. It's absolutely amazing. But let's go take a look and check out the windows. Like, they have the big, big windows. So it's very bright in the basement as well. You can see the deck and a fire pit going on here. And this is and you got tons of fruit trees too. So I'll make sure to put those in the description because there's tons of amazing, amazing. If you have fruit trees, mature trees, I think that's the apple tree there. And the property goes to the fence line there. So it's almost, I would say it's almost an acre, 1.76 of an acre. So it's a fantastic chunk of property. I mean, you could do so much with the space, garden beds, animals, pets, kids, free range kids, chickens, whatever you wish. It's just such a beautiful space to have this here. And again, you have your fruit trees there, and this is the back of the house. You have a little shed there, but yes, it's just really, really cute. It's awesome. They are planning, so that's where the septic is. So again, it's newer. Everything is new. And they're going to be just leveling this out. So the seller's going to do that for the new buyers, and it will get seeded as well with fresh grass. So this will be even better. Much better from the video that I am doing right now. It's only going to get better. And that's the gate. You can kind of see. And then it goes back here. So it is an L shape. It's actually fantastic. All right, as soon as we walk in, we have this landing, which is fantastic for coats and shoes just to unload. And you do have a coat closet as well right here. Again, awesome, nice and deep coat closets, a lot of space there. And then nice thing is, because you have this right at the entrance, you have the bathroom. So it's a full bathroom, beautifully tiled right to the ceiling, shower, tub, and everything that you need here. All right, and as we walk in here, just to my right is the master bedroom. It's a beautiful, beautiful size. I love the wood in the ceiling. It's very bright. It has a closet. It's just really, really great space. And having it on the main floor, it's awesome for anybody that maybe has mobility issues. And the kitchen is right here. And it has a fantastic island, lots of counter space. I love the window over the sink. It's just really, really nice that way. And it does have like a little area here for more storage. So awesome pantry space right here. And your eating area, fantastic with the windows, it's super bright, just a fantastic, fantastic eating area. And that door goes to the deck, which I'll show you in a second. And look at those ceilings. Like, that is so beautiful, bright, big windows. Makes the space look so big and just absolutely beautiful. And then the living room here. And again, all the beautiful windows to enjoy the view. Let's go outside right now. I want to show you that view. It's absolutely amazing. Look at this view. So this is a really good sized deck. Like, absolutely amazing sized deck. And then you have, this is the whole yard here. And then of course it goes to the front as well. Fantastic views. And you'll get sunsets. So you'll get sunsets here over the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go inside. I want to show you the loft and the basement as well. All right, so from the living room, all right, and you have to check this loft out. It is so cool. So again, beautiful stairs here and nice hardwood floors. Could use probably just a little bit of refinish here, but look at the space. It's absolutely amazing. You can easily make this into an office, bedroom, absolutely whatever you need. It's awesome to have this space. And I'll show you this. Look at the windows and the views. It's really bright in here. It's just a really incredible space. These are massive ceilings, like the vaulted ceilings. The wood is absolutely beautiful. And then you have this area here. Could be a walk-in closet. Honestly, this could be the office, and then you can use this space for something else, or maybe plumb in a bathroom up here. Why not? Because you have the space to do that. All right, let's head down to the basement. All right, so we are walking downstairs. So it's beautiful flooring here, laminate, and then the downstairs. So the downstairs does have concrete floors, which it's amazing opportunity to choose your flooring and do your own flooring. And just immediately to my left, there is the laundry, nice big hot water tank. This is actually a really big hot water tank. And you have your washer dryer and a sink as well, which is nice to have, of course. And then in here, you also have a sink, toilet, and shower. So it has a 3-piece washroom here. Again, it's really nice to have downstairs because you do have the 2 bedrooms downstairs. So it's really nice to have, absolutely handy. And the bedroom is over here, so you do have your closet there. I would definitely put a door in here and just kind of finish that up. And it's a fantastic room, very bright, because you can see that the windows are very big. Because the property's on a slope, so you do have the big windows here, and the basement doesn't even feel like a basement. It is extremely bright. And you have your rec room here, walk out, a sliding door. So again, you don't have to walk down the stairs. It's completely walk out, which is really handy not to be able to do that stairs. And it doesn't feel like a dingy basement. It's just a fantastic space. So this rec room is awesome. And there's more storage here. So this is storage under the stairs. And then there's your 3rd bedroom here. So laminate flooring. Could use a paint job, just some finishing touches. And again, that big window, very bright in here. It has a closet as well. So the property does have a 200 amp panel, which is right here, which is nice. You don't have to worry about that. It's all new. Yeah, so it's a really awesome property. And of course, any questions, let me know. I'm here to help and answer anything that you need about the property or about the area.